Hello YouTube. Um, it's me, MRCMidnight. I haven't even done a vlog video in a long time, nor a review or an unboxing. Um, ha- I could explain it really quickly. It's that I've been busy with college, and now I'm done with college. I have pretty much basically free time, and put some time into these videos. Obviously I haven't even put a script up or anything. I normally do these things improv, and I wanted to share that as of recently, if you guys not following my Twitter, I've said that I have received my replacement tablet for the Nvidia Shield, which is this particular device here. What I have here, I'll just show you the back. There you go. There's the Nvidia Shield tablet. What I have here is a defective tablet that is supposedly its first run, and Nvidia said in their statement around September 1st that no, actually not September 1st, August 1st. They said that um with let me just show you. Let me go to the settings. I already have my apps installed. Where is it? Here it is. So if I have a battery that is where the hell's the battery? There's the battery. If I have I already sent the recall already. If it could focus, if I have battery Y01, I have a defective battery, and it's prone to explosion if I don't get it replaced under heavy use. And that's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be the old tablet, and I just want to show you what I got with this box here. This is the box I got it from. I got the cable, I got the instruction booklet, I got the battery plug, and I got a SIM card with it too. This is the LTE model, the 32 gig LTE model. I'm doing this because I want to know what's inside the new tablet to see if they have done better changes. Sorry about the zoom, guys. It's just that I have not used this camera at all. The first time on this phone. So what I have here is Nvidia's replacement tablet. What I'm supposed to do is that I'm supposed to back up my data, take out all my micro SDs and SIM cards, and send it in to Nvidia using a return box, which I have right here. Oh, they came in with this box too. Forgot to show you. So the big box is the one that Nvidia initially sent me all the materials. This is the box, so I need to return it in. It's it's kind of weird. It's kind of like foam, but at the same time it feels like a soft matte feel, but it's foam. And what I'm supposed to do is take this back, put the tablet in the box. Let me just open the box. So I'm supposed to put the tablet in here in this plastic Ziploc bag, somewhat like that, but inside the bag. Then put the tablet in between the two foam inserts, like so. I'll get to show you that a bit later. And I put all the tablet in, like so, and put it in the box and send them out with the label already created for me. So, but enough of that. That's what I'm going to do off camera, though. I won't do that right now. Maybe I'll do another video, but maybe not. So what I do want to get to is the unboxing of the replacement tablet, the Nvidia Shield tablet. So I'm going to go ahead, turn it over. Alright, let's just see a little bit of specs while I get my knife ready. Oh, and you see the controller here? I already have it. It feels pretty good. Yeah, I'll show it right here. That's where I have it. I have it in the other room, but not here. So I'm gonna go slip my knife here with one hand, and slit the other slowly across. And I think that's it. There's two slits. Let me put my camera down for a sec. And now I'm gonna put away the X-Acto knife, and I almost cut myself there. And there you go. All I do is lift up the box, and there it is. A brand new tablet, brand new Nvidia Sheild tablet out of the box. Convenient lift, and I pretty much have another battery, another SIM card for me to use. Oh, they don't even have the instruction manual this time. How weird. But they did give me the USB cables, which is nice. I need one of these because these USB cables are hard to find on the internet, and I tried. I really tried to look for them. Okay, let's go see what's under the box. Let me just flip the entire unit around. I really want to know if there's a manual. Nope, underneath the plastic shell, there's nothing inside. So, Nvidia, you didn't send me an instruction manual. I guess it's one thing to go a little cheap there, but I don't know. Well, let's go see how this tablet turns on. What I want to know if it's pre-installed with what update. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the plastic a bit just so it's much easier on you guys. Oh, the struggle's real. I can't even get the plastic out. There we go. Alright, let's initialize boot. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's the same one as before. I don't expect any gradual surprises. And let's see the build quality though, because I heard that earlier tablets have a build quality that was much cheaper, especially at the corners. Which this tablet here, the old one, never had that problem. What the fuck did I press? Come on. Okay, it's telling me to initialize. So I'm going to put in my language. I'll skip the network for later. Just set the time. I'll just put in whatever. Yeah, I'm going to reformat this anyway because I do want to initialize it. I'll just put in whatever at the moment. Yes, yes. Yes, I agree. I always agree. Alright, so it looks like I got Android Lollipop out of the get-go. No need to update to Lollipop. Because this tablet, when I got this tablet, I had to start from KitKat, which was the software version that I initially got out. Let's get to settings and see what version we have out of the box. So we have version 5.0.1. And for comparison's sake, let me go back to settings here. And the old tablet is running 5.1.1, which can be updated via OTA software update. Alright. So it looks like this tablet should be able to run fine. And that's what it is important. This is again let me just this 4G, so it is getting a 32 gig oops. This is a 32 gig LTE model. I think it says it somewhere. Let me see in storage. Yep. In storage I have 25.6 gigs of available space. That is to be expected when it comes to a 32 gig model. And that's what I paid for. So Nvidia, you did yourself right, but it took about 7 weeks for the tablet to get here. But I am happy to have a complete second cable and a brick along with it. So overall I'm happy. For me, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe and follow my Twitter if you want to follow up on any updates, comments, and general talk. But I'm gonna send this old tablet back to Nvidia. They can do whatever they want with it, and I thank you for Nvidia for doing the recall and getting myself a nerd tablet for me to use. Alright, take care. Bye bye.